Hello everyone, today we're going to make easy and tasty chole bhature recipe. I will also provide tips on how to make soft and fluffy bhaturas, so let's get started. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. We will begin by preparing the bhatura dough. I have taken 5 cups of all-purpose flour, adding 3 tablespoons of oil, 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoon sugar, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 4 tablespoon of yogurt or dahi at room temperature. Add water slowly as needed to form the dough. Once the dough is formed, add 1 tablespoon of oil and coat the dough nicely. To make soft and fluffy bhaturas, make sure you knead a lot until it looks like this, nice and smooth in texture. Cover and keep aside 30 to 40 minutes in a warm place. I have taken 2 cups of chickpeas that I had soaked it overnight. Place in a pressure cooker and add water. Adding 2 teaspoons of salt, 3 cloves of garlic, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 tea bag, 1 bay leaf, and 1-inch cinnamon stick. Mix and pressure cook until the chickpeas get nice and soft. In a pot or kadhai, add 3 tablespoons of oil, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder. Once it splutters, add 1 chopped onion. Saute for about 3 minutes. Now adding 2 teaspoons of green chili paste. You can add as per your spice preference. Adding 2 teaspoons of pomegranate seeds powder or anardana powder. Cook for another 2 or 3 minutes. Take either 5 medium or 4 large tomatoes and 2 inches of ginger and blend into a paste, adding it once onion is cooked nicely. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Now this is optional, but if you have any chana masala powder, you can add 1 tablespoon of that as well. I'm using Everest chole masala. If you don't have it, just skip it as it tastes really good without it as well. Adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt. You can add as per your taste. Mix everything together and cook on medium heat until the tomatoes get cooked nicely. The chickpeas has become nice and soft. Removing the tea bag, garam masala and garlic cloves from the cooker. Adding the chickpea and the water to the gravy. Adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or add as per your taste. Some ginger julienne and coriander leaves. Mix and remove from the flame. We will make the bhaturas now. Take some dough and form into a ball. I'm dusting both sides with whole wheat flour. Roll it into a circle. To make fluffy bhaturas, your oil has to be really hot. It should fluff up as soon as you place it in the oil. Press gently on the top and it will start puffing up. I'll show you one more time. We usually serve this with onions that are mixed with any Punjabi pickle. Tasty chole bhature is ready. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel.